A family paid $7,000 to rent a home. The landlord did not own it. The lease was fabricated. They were arrested for burglarizing it. The man who sold them the keys was never charged.
Whoa, step down. What's that? What people? Do you live here?
No, I'm the host.
Okay, identify her.
I was part of the list, and because Sunday, they had.
You have an ID number?
Yep.
Are you the registered owner of this vehicle?
Yes. I am. I'm the real estate agent for them.
Okay.
I was here Sunday. And
Switch to tech 2. Whenever, well, not no more, but next time switch to tech 2.
so I was coming today, I had the locksmith.
Oh, they have emergency traffic for us. Never mind. You're good. Okay. I didn't realize they gave us emergency traffic.
Changed the locks.
You changed the locks?
We were going to
Okay.
today. So
Who are these people that are in there?
To the side door, and I could hear people talking.
Who's supposed to be in there?
Nobody. It's supposed to be empty.
Okay. All right. Stay here. Hold on, hot rod. Hold on. Do you know their names? Do you know their names?
Hello, Sumter County Sheriff. Come on out. You want to go on back?
Hold on. I got it locked. Let's go. Over here. Pivots.
Coming.
Do not separate from me. Stay close. Go. .222's here. We're going to be around back. Heard one female, one male for sure. Just said about not separating. Where's your other daughter? Step out here with you guys.
Mom? You want me to step out?
Yeah, come on here.
Mom, cool.
Step over here and deputy over here.
And my baby girl.
See her.
Do you have an ID on you?
Nobody else inside? Nobody else
My
inside?
daughter.
Just her right here? All right, come on
The
out.
baby girl.
Pivot, stay 10-12. Mike 7 marker. We're 10-12. Black female. Clear the house. Sumter County Sheriff's Office!
Like, I've never been in a situation with guns. Sheriff's town.
We gave you the opportunity to come to the front door when we asked you to.
Yes, but
You said you chose not to.
I said, come to the side door, please.
Okay, none of us heard that. All right.
Please show me 1012.
So what's going on?
You heard my keys?
Okay.
I don't know.
This is Deputy Rosa. They're saying they have a lease agreement, so this is what I have in my hand.
I have receipts from, I have cable, I have my lawn service crew that comes. Been here 2.5 months, 3 months.
65.
Gonna pay another month on October 1st, and I don't understand. Like,
What are you paying for rent?
me, my sister and my cousin, who y'all took to jail, we all paid $6, and my nephew Brandon. You know what I'm saying?
We took your nephew to jail?
No, it's 4 of us. My sister Rashana, her friend Lacey, and my nephew Brandon and me. You know what I'm saying? Everybody got them $600. So they saying that y'all got them for stealing something, but everything is mine. We brought everything. We bought everything. It was completely when he gave me the keys.
Who is he?
Mr. Kareem, off 5-Star Realty, okay, whatever. I met him through. I was doing CNA work. So my friend girl said she knows about to have a house because I told her my house in Bellevue was a little too small. So I'm going to renovate to that house because it was triple wide. You know what I'm saying? So that's why we got this for a year. But they called me.
You know, they're claiming they have a rental agreement. They have a lease agreement.
Who's the people out front?
That's the realtor for this house. That this house is for sale. 22212, 65 floor 28.
Number, go ahead.
Zulu 002 Golf Hotel. The problem is she's claiming she's been here for 2.5 months.
Juliet Charlie Proctor,
paid rent for 2.5
uniform
months.
33 on a key.
I need to go talk to the renter. 10-4. Okay. So, yeah, I'll get to this. Let's start off with, which room do you sleep in, ma'am? Or what's your name?
My name is
You want me to call you? Which one?
Miss. That's my own point.
Okay. All right, miss. So, which room do you reside in?
Well, I've been on the sofa and I had my girls in the rooms.
Okay. Which room do you... So, what is your name, ma'am? Alicia, which room do you reside in? You don't reside here? Okay. Do you reside here in one of the rooms?
Lacey, they're in jail. Lacey and Rashana.
Okay.
Yeah, y'all took them to jail Sunday.
Okay.
And Brandon.
So, Kareem...
Let me confirm. You got the rental agreement?
Yeah, I'm going through it right now.
I'm go confirm with the agent, see who she has.
Okay, yeah, let me do that. Stay right here and give me just a second, all right? Yeah, go ahead and get 43. So how did you hear about this listing available for a lease? Explain to me exactly how you got.
Okay, so my house in Marion County, it's a mobile home, and I had to redo, the floors was caving in, I had holes on the porch and everything, so I'm renovating that. So my friend girl who works in the villages at the nursing home, Carriage House.
Okay.
She said she had a friend who was renting out a house with in a nice quiet area with a pool, and we had to do $7,000 down, but installments since it was the 4 of us. Okay, we met here. He gave me the keys.
How did we get $7,000 down? How was that calculated?
Because he says the lights are going to be on already, and the water.
Did he show you any credentials? Did he have anything of that nature? Did he have any licenses? Because here's what I'll explain to you. All right, I've been through the rental process. All right, I've been through the home purchasing process. I can tell you right now, unless I see, I understand that, but unless I see some type of license or some sort of business backing where it's your name on a card with your, because he's still going to be considered a realtor, right?
Yeah.
Even he's a licensing agent.
Landlord.
Right. So he's going to have some sort of license number. Did you ask to inquire about a license number, or you just were like, okay, this is a nice house?
Well, he's walked us around, you know, he told us. He had some cards or whatever. I don't know what they had. But yeah, he's dressed nice. He had a nice car. He was professional. Like, there was no reason for me to think anything. You know, he walked me around, he showed me. But he didn't ever say, like, y'all were, I don't know.
You never saw any paperwork on the house prior to, right?
No, I'm not really from this area. I'm from Marion County. And my daughter works at Cambridge behind Walmart or whatever. And she was talking to her friend
good?
girl, and she said her friend girl
Oh, you're back from being leaned up on that? I got you.
said her friend girl knows a guy.
Yeah.
Who's, a realtor, a landlord. He has a property for rent or whatever. And so I
Right.
asked her, could I see it? And what is his number and things like that. What up, baby? So, yep, we made arrangements. We met out here to the property. The grass was over.
Possibly even. Hey, sorry.
They
possibly,
got
Got this house what they thought was legitimate means, but was a false guy.
Yeah, because I don't see, this is all,
There's been a lady thing.
Yeah.
this is in different handwritings. The business on here doesn't exist.
Five-star realty,
Location of this office.
Yeah.
but we met him here. We never had to meet at the office.
Never got a licensing number from the guy.
Who did you meet?
What is the licensing number?
Who did you meet? Start with that.
Rover.
Who?
See, Lacey and Rashana, we was all here, but it was missing.
Who's Brandon?
He's in one of the he has a room on the side by itself by the bathroom.
Down the hallway to the right?
The first room on the
Okay.
And then Lacey, she has the one in the far back with the little bed. And then
Okay.
and then Rashana has the well she's been well they
Who's
all
Rashawn? Is Rashawn?
yeah she's in custody. And they all used the one bathroom because one was leaking, so we had waiting on them to come repair the toilet and things like that. So I don't. They said they came up here the other day.
So what's your name? Let's start with that.
Lisa.
Okay, I just stuck up here. I don't know.
Yeah.
Several.
Yep. And so they came up here and
Lisa what? Lisa?
yes.
I'll say Lisa. I'll say
Hello,
Lisa.
Felicia. But it's Lisa.
So your real name's Felicia.
Hello.
What did she give you?
She gave me Lisa.
I don't know.
Where's your
they,
ID
they said that
Where's your ID at?
To the temple.
my ID.
Yeah.
Sign the next 1099.
Where? Listen to me. Where is your ID?
You want to talk to the landlord?
I know I'm talking to you. I don't know who that is on that other
It
line.
might be in my truck
Where's your truck?
in the garage.
Okay.
Stand by. 222 on
Hello.
2.
Yes.
Who are you talking to?
You ready to cuff?
You just told me it was the.
It's going to be the black Toyota utility.
You just told me it was the.
That's 10-4. You ready to cuff?
It's going to be a Trisha McIntyre.
My mom.
26.
Thank you. What's your number?
I'm sorry.
You want your? You just,
I don't know who that is.
Go ahead.
Who is that?
Hello.
Who is that?
This is my husband.
Okay, well, you told me it was the rental person.
Because he knows the guy.
Okay,
you know
well,
what I'm saying?
you're lying.
I'm not lying. Y'all are like making me very
we're not
nervous.
doing anything.
Yes, y'all are. Y'all covering over me and stuff like that. This is very,
Nobody's hovering over you, man.
sir. This is scary. Like
Okay, well, you can be scared all you want.
I'm
because
so
right now,
scared. I don't know.
Go ahead, because you don't have no right to be here.
Sumter X-ray 126.
And I don't know who the hell you are.
I'm Felicia.
Okay, well, that's not the name that you gave my deputy, and that's not the name that you gave me initially. And now you tell me that you're on the phone with the rental person, and then you say it's your husband.
Sumter X-ray 126.
Sir, we just moved here like 2 months ago. We paid our money. They gave us the key and everything. I don't understand. Like you could try to
How
keep.
old are these young ladies? How old are you? 27? Does anybody have any hard ID on them? Anybody have a driver's license, Florida ID card, out-of-state ID card, anything like that?
We just can't.
Guys, it's a yes or no. Because if you want to play this game, I'll lock all of you up and charge you with burglary. How about that?
It's getting that
And then we'll
serious.
charge you with all the drugs we found inside.
It's
You
getting
want to
that
play this game with me? Because I'm the wrong one, I promise you. Thank you.
All of our
Thank
stuff
you.
is inside.
Thank
I
you.
think mine
Why do we
is
have to
mine-
escalate to that tone?
Because
And
I
that- and-
already nodded my head. He asked
Okay,
me
well,
to
I asked for yes or no. I'm not talking to you in head nods. I'm talking to you with English. I expect the same respect. You can all you want. Because I promise you, you got the wrong one.
Please don't do that, baby.
CDL qualification, qualification only.
Okay. Do you have an ID in there?
Yes.
Okay. Is it in a purse, in a bag? Is it a certain location?
It's in.
Hey, Mama, is this? I don't think this is legal.
Where would I find that?
Property we purchased. The police was
Back
coming
left, right,
all the
center?
guns. They just entered our
The
property.
very back left room.
They
Okay.
just entered my property with guns. They got us all out here.
And it's got a booklet and a ball on it.
I don't understand how this is legal. I can do this too. I'm in the
Let's see if it's wrong with
Okay.
Yeah.
victims are in the background.
I don't know. It's scary because
Alpha 9051.
Okay. 26.
I don't know, Mama.
Let me call him that.
I don't know.
Call him Felicia.
It's weird.
Correct.
Yep. Okay.
We're at the property on 223, and then between where we got the truck because they had impounded it, and then we took all the stuff out. And then, do I know the license number? I don't know all that stuff. All I know was the man's force, and then he gave us the key.
Not yet.
No.
Now,
Give traffic.
all this long time we've been here.
Give traffic.
Like July. August 1st, Mama. This is weird. They were like, why you here? Okay, I'm gonna make
Put the
my-
dog in her lap. Put the dog in her lap. Now.
Mama.
Stand up.
What did I do?
Turn around.
What did I do? What did I
Hands
do?
on your back. Hands behind your back. Don't resist. Do not resist. Do not resist. Record it. You've got a warrant for your arrest.
For what?
We'll get to that.
What do I have? No, you,
Now you're going to catch another charge for resisting.
I'm not resisting, sir.
Cool.
Am I resisting, babe?
222. You can clear it. One detained. Send for confirmation.
Why are y'all just saying? What, you got my phone? Why am I being the same, sir?
Stay here.
And I did nothing wrong at all.
You've got a warrant for your arrest,
For
man.
what, sir?
Grand theft.
What did I
Now you're going to
steal?
sit here away from everybody.
What did I steal,
Now,
sir?
that, ma'am, that is not up for me to decide.
I did not
okay?
steal anything.
Don't let her in the house.
I did not steal anything.
Okay.
I've never
All
stole
right.
anything.
That's between you and Marion County. That's not between me and you.
County,
Yep.
I've never stolen anything.
Okay.
I've never ever stolen anything.
Your name is Felicia, correct? And that's why you gave us the name Lisa
No,
instead of
it's not.
Felicia.
What did I steal in Marion County?
Ma'am, that has nothing to do with me, and that has everything to do with you and Marion County, okay? Marion County tells me you have a warrant.
For what?
Judge, that's because a judge signed off on your warrant, okay?
I don't
And it really don't look good. You got a charge for grand theft. You got a bond of, I think, what, 7? Grand theft, and we're sort of doing the same stuff here.
I didn't steal anything. I own my home in Marion County. What did I steal, sir?
At Sierra 50, it's going to be 48 out of Marion.
For
Grand theft
Of what? An auto?
she gave a false name.
and false name. So if you want, I can just rack that.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
we'll have a slew of charges.
Oh my God.
Go grab his car. Just bring it up so.
Please, Lord, let me see. Please, Lord, let me see. Lord, please.
Should be a signal 7 obvious.
So, Lease. That's false name.
Yes, ma'am. When you know your real name is Felicia and you give us Lisa.
It's Felicia.
I understand that, but when law enforcement asks for your name, we don't ask for a nickname. We ask for your full legal name, right?
I didn't know y'all could come do this in someone's home and then
Do what?
come with guns and bring
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely, we will for the safety of us to make sure we get home safe. And if everybody complies, look, as soon as everybody complied and the house was clear, the firearms were back in their holster. Have they been out since?
Sir,
Yes, ma'am. What's aggressive?
Y'all's home.
Unfortunately, we do have to be aggressive for our safety, but your safety was never at risk. Never. Not once.
Yes, it was.
It was. I'm sorry you feel that way, okay?
I'm sorry I feel that way too. And then you
Yes, ma'am.
Grand theft? How long, when did this warrant come out?
Out of Marion County. I just know what dispatch tells me. And we're going to send for confirmation, so technically, you're not even placed under arrest right now.
I want to know what did I grand theft?
I can't answer that question, ma'am. Only you can answer that question, or Marion County. Okay.
I'm not doing anything in there.
Okay.
Hey, I'm going to put this on the rental agreement. This is for this young lady. That's her medical marijuana card.
Okay.
She grabbed what has her name on it. That's
Okay.
for the dispensary.
Okay, you want me to load this one in the back of the car for the time being?
That's
Okay.
fine. Don't worry about, you didn't confirm the 48, did you?
I did. I sent for confirmation, but I can cancel it. 222 Sumter.
That's
D66 confirmation. We're gonna have locals.
10-4.
All right, man. Go ahead and stand up for me. I don't want you to fall. Got it? All right. Right over here. Yes, sir. What?
This is hurting so bad, though.
What's hurting? Okay, yeah, I'll fix that. I got you. I'll fix that. Straight ahead. Nope, straight ahead. All right. Face my patrol car. Take a step back. And then, no, not that far back. And then just lean into the car. Just lean in. There you go. Let me fix the cuffs for you.
Thank you.
274, Sumter, Marion, 350.
And then, I don't know, because the sheriff, when I was in Marion County, they just came to my house. Like,
I'm telling you, we ran you, right, with your date of birth you gave us, and they're telling us you got a warrant, okay?
Because they came to my house. Like,
I understand.
and
It could be fresh. I don't know. Do you have, I'm going to ask you a question. Do you have anything in your bra? Please don't.
I don't wear bras.
Okay.
I don't have no.
Okay. Okay. You got anything in your pants? Anything that if it's introduced into the jail, it'll be a charge?
But I need some. Let me
get the AC going. Hold on.
Vaseline or something. This is weird.
They'll get you some Vaseline. Don't worry.
125, Sumter, 10-7.
It ain't a fashion show.
Yes, it is.
It is not a fashion show. I got the AC going for you, all right?
You have another pair?
Yep. No. Nope. Both are on one.
Pivot should have one.
Yeah,
Right.
take it. Yeah. Well, that's
Okay.
good.
She can go with the other one then for now.
Come on. Right out here.
I'll take your wallet.
Come on, Steve.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna fight, or do I need to put you in cuffs now? Do I need to? Hey, look at me. Look at me. Do you need to go in cuffs now? You gonna start acting a fool if I walk you out there?
I mean, possession of marijuana and THC, well, that's a felony. I can't overlook a felony, okay? You understand? There's nothing I can do with a felony. So, okay. All right, when you have your phone, so you don't drop it.
Turn around. Don't. Hey, calm down.
Yourself.
No. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Do anything.
Just relax. It's okay. Just relax. Just relax, okay? Man, it's not a big deal, okay? Relax. Relax. Come on. Pivot to the other side of the vehicle. Go ahead. No, grab this one, but yeah, grab her. Walk her the rest of the way.
Schedule a ride to get you guys. Here. Good ride. This ain't so far?
Yeah.
There's nothing else done. You have to schedule a ride. We're going to... Did you ever give me an ID?
I just gave it to the duty matched
Perfect.
up with the information that he had.
Perfect. Okay. Because we're going to have to get some more pertinent information from you for our reports. And
You guys do not live here?
No.
Okay, where do you guys live?
I live in Belleville. Like,
Okay, where do you live?
I've been staying with her, but
What's your exact address in Bellevue? Okay, alright. So what were you doing down here today?
she came and picked us up, and we were just hanging out. She's like a big sister to me, so.
Okay.
And that's my little sister. Well,
Okay.
technically, I just found out she's my cousin.
Okay.
So we were just hanging out. You know, my little cousin, she's going through something. So
And where does your little cousin live?
she was in Gainesville, but she's not in Gainesville.
Which one?
what's her name?
Lorna?
Lorna.
Oh, yeah, you got her ID.
Yeah, I got her right here. She 5429. So Lorna was living in Gainesville, moved down here.
Yeah.
So she's been living here for how long?
she hasn't been living
She
here.
hasn't been living
She's
here.
just been.
She just picked us up yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't know where she's been.
Okay. Alrighty. So would you guys mind completing a statement for us, letting us know you don't live here? Yeah? Okay, awesome. Here, you're going to need these. I'll let you hang on to these for the time. You got it.
So we got hard IDs on everybody.
Yes, everybody has
Everybody's
been hard
confirmed.
ID. Yes.
I spoke to her, the vendor. She was talking with the owner of the property, which I have to get more information on. But there's 3 people that are on this in this trust for the property. None of which she represents a different company. Has no idea who this company is here. But looking at this, she's not that person. She has no reason to be here. She gave us a false name.
Right.
So as far as I'm concerned,
if you look through it, there's no licensing numbers. There's no.
No, there's no anything. But she gave us a false name.
And normally there's a stamp on there that's been certified for rental contracts.
We need to find out eventually who this is. Make sure no 48s or because these are all filled in.
So my question is, how the hell did she get a key here, though? She had a key.
Did we check it?
Where'd the keys go? That your cousin? That's who she is to you, or she's your big sister?
And then we'll just have to look into the call from the other night because a car took off from here and they stopped it and went 10-15 on a couple people. We find out who those couple. We just have to do a little bit of legwork.
10-4. Sounds good to me. I wonder who Lacey Music is.
I don't know. I've seen that name a couple times. Though.
Lacey M Music. Yes, ma'am. I do believe we are. I think we're just going to list it as old girl, the eldest. Miss. Okay. I'm telling you, okay. If you don't walk there, right, and we have to use force to get you in there, you know it's going to be another charge.
I didn't do nothing wrong and I'm being punished for somebody else's that you already got in the back of a car.
Come on. Let's go.
This is the most... I didn't do anything. Mom, please come get me.
Let Mama know she's going to Bushnell.
I called the car myself, please. Please. Please, I called the car myself. The car got me. Please.
Nothing I can do for you.
It's not even my stuff.
The last funeral in the back.
Stop, because I'm going to have a panic attack.
No, you need to breathe.
It's not mine.
You need to breathe.
I'm not going in front of somebody else's. I didn't do nothing wrong.
It was one of the calm ones. It was the calmer one. I'm sorry. She was one of the calmest.
So the other one's worse? Okay. Might just get you. Might just keep the cuffs on that one and just bring her over here. And
Yeah, she's over there calling me judge and executioner and this and that, and I'm a. She's I don't think she's going to try to fight just because, I mean, the sheer size. Yeah. And hell, she could have calmed down from being in the back of my hot box because AC don't work back there. It probably took a lot of the fight out of her.
I didn't turn mine off. I can't because I got to have the key.
Yep. And she, yeah, I mean, she resisted out on the porch, but nothing crazy. Like, she got slammed. What are you doing? And then this is her property.
I'll search it when they leave, when they're all gone.
Perfect. And we're going to have to get out of here.
Yeah.
I'll back us out.
Who's that guy?
What guy? That is, he's the owner, or like the top dog at Revis Tow, or Wildwood Tow.
I can get a side. I'll just go this way. Or I'll back it up next to it. I have a CDL out there. Okay. Trust me.
Don't wreck my patrol car.
This footage raises 3 unresolved questions under Florida law: whether the occupants were victims or offenders, whether the police conduct was awful or coercive, whether the charges will survive in court. Constitutional foundation, the 4th Amendment Patent v. New York 1980 holds that entry into a dwelling is presumptively unreasonable without a warrant, exigent circumstances, or valid consent. The 5th Amendment prohibits compelled self-incrimination. Threatening criminal charges to compel production of identification crosses from lawful authority into potential coercion under established court precedent. The 14th Amendment prohibits deliberate indifference to detainee welfare. Holding a detainee in a vehicle compartment without functioning air conditioning is not a tactical benefit. It is a constitutional liability. Key case law, Graham v. Connor. 1089 force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight. Severity of crime, threat level, and active resistance are the three controlling factors. Arizona v. Evans, 995 deputies acting in good faith on a warrant reflected in a criminal database are not required to independently verify its factual basis before executing the arrest. Miranda v. Arizona 966, the obligation to advise a suspect of their rights arises at the point of custodial interrogation, not at arrest. Continued questioning after arrest without Miranda advisement may render statements inadmissible. Florida Statute 837.055, providing a false name to law enforcement is a first-degree misdemeanor. A nickname is not a defense. The standard is whether the name prevented accurate database identification. Florida Statute 893.1, cannabis concentrate, including THC oil, is classified separately from leaf marijuana and may constitute a third-degree felony regardless of quantity without a valid medical authorization on record. Florida Statute 843.02, resisting without violence, is a first-degree misdemeanor. Resistance after a lawful arrest has been initiated may be elevated to 843.01, resisting with violence, which carries felony exposure. Florida Statute 817.535, presenting a false instrument related to real property, is a felony under Florida law. A lease bearing a non-existent business name and an unverifiable licensor meets the statutory definition of that offense. Florida Chapter 83. A valid lease requires a landlord with actual legal authority. Verification through the Florida DBPR database takes under 2 minutes. That verification did not happen. This outcome was the result. Lessons learned. When a landlord cannot provide a Florida real estate license number or documentation of property ownership, the transaction must stop. Appearance and confidence are not credentials. They are the tools of a scam. Providing a false name to law enforcement is never a neutral act. In this case, it converted a potential victim witness into a suspect and surfaced a warrant that changed the entire legal trajectory of the encounter. A coercive threat to charge all parties unless compliance is given on an officer's timeline may generate short-term results, but creates long-term civil exposure for the department in any subsequent section 1983 federal rule claim. Open questions. The man who created the fraudulent lease collected $7,000 and delivered keys he had no right to give is not in custody. Whether Florida Statute 817.535 will ever be applied to him is an open question. Can a good faith fraud victim be convicted of burglary for occupying a home she believed she legally rented? Can a coercive identification demand invalidate the warrant discovery that followed? The footage does not answer this. The charges were filed. The court proceedings will determine what the law decides. Whether the outcome reflects justice, technicality, or something in between is the question this case puts directly to the Florida legal system.